Hi, this is Swati, and in today's video, we will see some very important questions on basic proportionality theorem and the converse of it. So the first question, in the adjoining figure, DE is parallel to BC. We can see D is parallel to BC, and the values are given. AD is 3.4, AB is 8.5, and AC is 13.5. You need to find X. So since DE is parallel to BC, therefore, we can write AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. So why is that so? Because of basic proportionality theorem. So if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, the other sides are proportionally divided. So it's a very direct question. We will just input the values that we have. So AD is 3.4, AB is 8.5, equal to AE that we need to find, that is X, and AC is 13.5. All right, so we will transpose. So 3.4 into 13.5 by 8.5. So 3.4 into 13.5 is 45.9 by 8.5, which is 5.4 centimeter equal to X. It was a very direct question, but you generally have for 2 marks in your board exam. All right, now coming to the next one, a very, very important question. You definitely get this trapezium question in your boards. ABCD is a trapezium with DC parallel to AB. So here I have DC is parallel to AB. The symbol is for parallel. Okay. E and F are points on AD and BC. We can see such that EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. So AB is parallel to DC and AB is parallel to EF as well. So therefore, all the three lines will be parallel to each other. We need to show AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. So here I want to give an interesting tip. Whenever you have a parallel line in a triangle, when a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, you will definitely come across the BPT question. BPT theorem will be definitely used. So here also, I have this side equal to this side. So it's a very easy question. You will use BPT theorem because we have triangles. The trapezium is divided into two triangles, right? So similarly, here we will consider in triangle ACD, since EF is parallel to DC, I can also write EO is parallel to DC. If a whole line is parallel, then short line is also parallel to the bottom line, right? So if EO is parallel to DC, then AE by ED will be equal to AO by OC. So this is using basic proportionality theorem. All right. Now coming to the other triangle. In triangle ABC, so since EF is parallel to AB, the small part will also be parallel. So we can consider OF is parallel to AB. So if OF is parallel to AB, I said you, in a triangle, if you have one pair of parallel line, so then the other two sides are proportionally divided using BPT. So we'll use that. So the sides that we have is BF by FC is equal to AO by OC, again using BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So here we have two equations. So if I see these two equations, I can observe that the right sides are equal. The right hand side of both the equations are equal. So in that case, the left side will automatically be equal. So from 1 and 2, left sides can be equated. AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. So this is what we need to prove. Hence, proved. I hope you have understood the solution. This is a very important question, the trapezium question. Please try and understand and practice on your own. Thank you.